Good afternoon, Namaskar, the Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. LG Vinay Kumar Saxena stressed the need for meticulous planning and high standards of public facilities while reviewing preparations at Sindhu Ghat for the forthcoming Sindhu Mahakumbh. Saxena directed the concerned departments to undertake a comprehensive upgrade of the Ghat and adjoining areas. The directions included removal of debris, restoration of the existing structure and systematic improvement of the riverfront through landscaping measures. He also called for the improvement of approach roads to ensure smooth access for pilgrims and tourists also, highlighting the importance of essential services like Saxena stressed the need for adequate lighting, sanitation facilities and availability of safe drinking water. He also directed that river banks be thoroughly cleaned to maintain developmental standards during the event 2026. In a policy shift aimed at recalibrating agricultural outreach in Ladakh's cold arid terrain, the ICAR has signed a memorandum of understanding with the University of Ladakh, transferring administrative control of 4 Krishi Vigyan Kendras, that is KVKs, to the Union Territory's premier academic institution. The agreement signed in New Delhi by Dr. Rajbir Singh, Deputy Director General Agriculture Extension, ICAR, and Professor Saket Kushwaha, Vice Chancellor of the University of Ladakh, places the KVKs at Leh 1, Leh 2, Nayoma and Kargil K1 and K2 Zanskar under the university's direct supervision. Officials familiar with the development said the move is expected to improve coordination between research institutions and field level implementation by anchoring extension services within a regionally based university. The University of Ladakh, with campuses in Leh and Kargil, is positioned to integrate academic research with on-ground agricultural practices more effectively. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development projected a priority sector credited potential of Rupees 1427 crore for Ladakh for FY 2026-27 with a clear thrust on agriculture, allied activities, MSMEs and rural tourism. The projection, unveiled through the focus paper at a credit seminar in Leh, was released by Chief Secretary Ashish Kundra of Ladakh in the presence of senior administrative officials, banking representatives and development stakeholders, marking a coordinated push towards strengthening credit delivery system in the Union Territory. He proposed the establishment of a dedicated project management unit to support the administration in designing and implementing programs in agriculture and rural development. Kundra also called for the formation of a consultative framework involving government departments and NABARD to improve coordination and governance in the development initiatives. With a renewed focus on strengthening financial outreach in Ladakh's remote and unreserved regions, the RBI of India, Jammu, convened a workshop for lead district managers, that is LDMs, district development managers, that is DDMs, and lead district officers, that is LDOs of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in Jammu. The deliberations placed particularly emphasis on the improving banking access, credit penetration and institutional coordination in Ladakh, where geographical constraints continue to pose challenges to financial inclusion. Deputy Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer LAHDC Kargil Rakesh Kumar stays focused on coordinated effort to ensure that the Apricot Blossom Festival 2026 reflects the region's identity in both spirit and execution. Chairing a review meeting to finalize preparations for the upcoming festival, the Deputy Commissioner directed all departments to prioritize the promotion of local products, including apricot-based items, traditional embroidery and handicrafts. The meeting witnessed detailed discussions on organizational aspects with particularly attention to planning, execution, timelines and interdepartmental coordination. The UT Ladakh witnessed a new chapter in its sports landscape as the inaugural state open show ski championship commenced at the Yaksa ski slope in Umba, Yarja, Sanku. The 3-day event has drawn participation from across the region, bringing winter sports into sharper focus in the high altitude district of Kargil. More than 90 athletes, including men and women also from various parts of the Ladakh, are competing in the championship, which will run until March 26. The championship is inaugurated by the Tahir Hussain Zubdawi, Joint Director of Youth Services and Sports, the UT Ladakh, who underlined the need to nurture snow skiing as a competitive discipline in the region. Addressing participants and attendants, he commended the athletes for their commitment and expressed optimism about the future of winter sports in the Ladakh. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Please keep watching us and don't go anywhere. Thank you so much and good afternoon.